Good morning, class. As yesterday we have started with the exercises in our workbook, that is our English literature workbook. Now today we are going to continue with the exercises in our workbook. Now I hope you all have understood the previous exercises which we have done in our chapter 7. Now today we are going to start with the letter writing. That is, in this we have been given a heading. Imagine that you have received this letter from your aunt and write a reply saying that you will spend your winter holidays with her. You have to write this letter. Now, before writing the letter, first of all, what we all are going to do is, in the starting, you have to write your own address. After that, you have to put today's date. That is the date of today. After that, in informal letters, you can write dear. After that, writing that dear, whomsoever it may be, and you have to write that passage below it, on which, if you are replying to your aunt, you have to write the, first of all say that I have received your letter, and like this you have to continue it from the passage, and at the end write thanking you, yours lovingly, or yours faithfully. Write your name below that. Like this you have to write the letter. After this we are going to do two more exercises today also. You have to add missing syllable. That means if you have been given a word can, you have to add not to it so that it becomes a full word, that is can not. Now let us begin with the exercises today on page number 64. Now let us continue with the exercises in workbook. First of all, let us continue with the writing of letter. You have to write a letter to your aunt. That you have to write an informal letter here. Aunt's letter. Imagine that you have received this letter from your aunt. Write a reply saying that you will spend your winter holidays with her. You have to write a letter to your aunt saying that you have to spend your winter vacation with her only. Now, like this you have to write Palmview, December 12th. My dear child, naughty. No letters from you during your school term. But as always, I forgive you. The children get back from school on the 18th. Please let me know when to expect you. I shall send the driver to collect you from the station. Look at yourself. Much love, Auntie. P.S. Don't bring any turtles this time. What you all have to do, this letter has been written by an aunt to you. Now you have to give a reply to your aunt. Now see how you all have to write the letter to your aunt. Imagine that you have received the letter from your aunt. Write a reply saying that you will spend your winter holidays with her. First of all, in these two lines which I have left, in these two lines you have to write your own address, the address of your home. In these two lines you have to write here. You have to write today's date. Okay. Now, dear aunt, I have received your letter and writing this letter to inform you that the vacations for which we are waiting eagerly are coming soon, and I am already ready for it. My vacations will start from 18th December, and so by this time I will be spending it with you. Hope to see you soon. Thanking you, yours lovingly. After this, you have to write your own name here. Your own name here, not anybody else's name. Now, you have to write this letter in the blank being given over here. I hope you all have understood this letter. Now, let us move to another exercise. Now let us move to page number 65. This is the word game. Try to make words from the letter in the box. These are some of the letters being given here. You have to make some of the words using these. Rules: no plural ending in S, no proper nouns, name of people or place. Don't use a letter twice in the same word. 20 words, fair. 35 words, very good. 25 words, good. 40 words for excellent. Spelling. Do you remember reading about syllables? The word pot has only one syllable. That is the vowel sound. Pot. The word potter has two syllables, as there becomes T becomes double. So word has two syllables. Now here are some words with two syllables. Cannot, himself, answer, across, regret, copper, sister, follow. Now syllables are those words which are being added, like pot plus potter. That means one word and two words. Here are two words being given here. So this has two syllables. Like cannot in can is the one word and not is the another word. So this has two syllables. Now first exercise, in which add missing syllable to each of these. This exercise is on page number 65. First one, can. We will add not to it. Becomes two syllable word. Some. We will add someone. C1. Age. We will add copper. D1. Hot. Hotter. You have to add word like this that it becomes the two syllable words. Est. We will add request. Sorry, remove E from it. F1. ing. We will add following. Reply. Lying. Sister. Manner. End. Event. Now we have added the missing syllables over here, and after adding the missing syllables, we have completed the word. Now let us move to the second exercise. In the second exercise, what you will have to do, the vowels A, E, I, O, U are missing. You know there are 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. We have been given some of the words here. In this, A, E, I, O, U are missing from these words. Can you put them in? You have to put in these gaps, you have to put A, E, I, O, U. In the first one, we will put U. It will become hurt. In B1, we will put I. It will become fine. C1, REMOVE. The word becomes remove. D1, we will fill I. That words become fill. In E1, RETURN. That words become return. F1, after M, we will fill I. The words become mind. G1, THIRST. The words become trust. H. After M, we will fill A. Marry. I1, SILLY. The words become silly. In J1, we will fill ENTER. The words become enter. K1, we will fill kind, kinder. The words become kinder. Now here we complete with this chapter in workbook also. And now what you all have to do, you have to fill these exercises using pencil only in your book. Don't use pen in your workbook. Homework for you all is to learn the previous back exercises from your course book, English Literature course book. Thank you.